Hello and welcome to How to Record a Video for YouTube. This is not my typical League of Legends video. This is in fact for a class I'm taking on instructional technology. And the point of this video is to teach my fellow classmates how to make a video. So, what do I start with? I start with this program called Debut. This is good for recording desktop stuff. All you've got to do is press record right here and it goes. There are different options you can... Oh, I can't do that now. It'll stop, but there are different options you can use. You can set it so you have sound in the background from your computer, or so you don't have sound from your computer. You can change all sorts of different settings in there, but basically I'm running it as it was installed almost. Anyway, what are the limitations of Debut? As you'll notice from this mouse pointer, it moves a little bit glitchy. It kind of skips a little bit. That's because Debut is kind of a low quality recorder. But that's alright because you can still do things with it. For example, here's a Prezi. If maybe some of your kids miss class or something for a field trip or in another class, you can do your Prezi online with a YouTube video using Debut. So this is something I just loaded from, This is something I just loaded from, playing with it. This is something I loaded from Prezi.com, just one of the generic ones. And see, you can just, it's a little bit slow, but that's alright. You can just talk it through. Yeah, this is a pretty good one, actually. And I remember Margot's Prezi from the other day. You could just as easily do your Prezi online like this through a YouTube video, and it would work just as well. The one downside is you can't watch another YouTube video in this, or it will be really slow. I wonder if there are any in here. But anyway, yeah, I'm done playing with this one anyway. Yeah, notice that's probably really bugging out. But that's how you do Prezi with Debut. And there's another program, if you want to, like, say, run an educational game or something that you downloaded, you want to use Fraps. This is high quality, it's much better, but it can only be used in games, otherwise I'd be using it to record this, which I can't do. So, how do you know if Fraps is going to record? Let's open up... I wish I had this already open. I should have done that ahead of time. Anyway, I'm opening this up, and I'm going to play a game quick, and you're going to see the numbers appear in Fraps. Come on now. I recorded this a bit earlier, but I decided to redo it because the video didn't turn out very well, and so I'm forced to open things up again. There it is. Okay. So, opening up this game here, and you're going to see Fraps go from off to on. And for myself, I would probably use this playing Civilization. It's a historical-based game. I could go through, say, a World War II module or something and step-by-step explain how it happened in history while it's literally happening on the screen. And so that could be really useful. Anyway, see there I've got my numbers right up there. That's your FPS. If the FPS is low, that means it's not recording very well. And right now the FPS is very low, but once I actually got in a game, it would be about 30 or 40. You want it to be between 20 and 40. 20 is on the low end. Once it's up here, you just press F9 and it starts recording. Just like that. See, now it's red, now it's recording. Now it's yellow, now it's not. That's all there is to it. So, how do you use Fraps? It's pretty simple. It's a free download. You can record 10 minutes at a time. It's $37 if you want to record unlimited, but for the sake of your YouTube videos, you're probably not going to want to record more than 10 minutes anyway. So, just a second. I have to go do something. Alright, sorry about that. I had to go upstairs and do something. Anyway, yeah, that you can easily pause your Debut like this. Anyway, back to Fraps. It's... For the sake of your YouTube videos, you're only going to probably want to record about 10 minutes, if that. So you don't need to purchase the $37 version. So, how do you use it? Let's see. Like I said, the movie hotkey is F9 to start it, F9 to stop it. You want to change it to half size because otherwise your recordings are going to be absolutely enormous. Full size, you get about 5 gigabytes in maybe 10 minutes, if that. Probably not even that. So you want it half size. And everything else, oh yeah, you want to have record external input on, and make sure your microphone is plugged in before you do this. I'm wearing a headset right now, A lot of you probably have microphones built into your laptops. A warning, if you use those, you're going to get outside noises. For me, I could turn the TV on right now and it wouldn't pick it up because I have a very high quality headset. But most of you probably don't have that sort of equipment. Anyway, now that we've got our videos, where do we find them? We're going to go to, I guess I could have pressed that there. Videos, right there. Debut. And there's my Untitled 6. There's the Untitled 5 that I'm not going to use anymore. Untitled 6 is what I'm doing right now. So where do I find Fraps? I go to C. Let's see, where is it? Fraps. Movies. And there's the thing I literally just recorded right now. I'm going to delete that. Wait, actually, first I want you to see how big it is. 6.11 megabytes for about 10 seconds of recording. That's how big it is. Meanwhile, this thing that's been going on for quite a while, let's see how big that is here. It's 19 megabytes for, I don't know, about 5 minutes. So, anyway, how do you upload it onto YouTube? You go to youtube.com, sign in as your name. If you don't have an account yet, try to make one through your Gmail because that will make it a lot easier for you. Then you'll never forget your stuff because you have it in your Gmail. You log in as your Gmail and you log in as your YouTube. Anyway, so then you go to, upload the video. And you select the file from your computer and it starts uploading. So for the sake of this, let's see. I want to take this video here and start uploading it. And there it's going. So now I can change the public settings. It's always public, right, or privacy setting. It's always public default. Unlisted means only people with a link can view it. Private means only people that you allow to view it can view it. Scheduled is something you use for webcam streaming. I know Barack Obama streamed a webcam question and answer a while back about the healthcare. Categories, you want to do education usually or whatever. Description, self-explanatory. Title, self-explanatory. Tags, every word, it's just like Wordle. Every word is a new tag. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to cancel this for now. That's how you cancel, but it'll upload whenever. For me, it's like 200 minutes. For debut, you don't need to do this step. I left this out. Before you make the YouTube video, if you're using Fraps especially, you want to make it into something smaller. So say, if I have this, if I go to, let's see, computer, C, Fraps, movies, I say I want to take this one right here. And it loads up on the Windows Live Movie Maker. You can download these all over the internet. There's AVI converters, all sorts of things. And now I want to make this like 20, 30 gigabyte thing into something smaller. So I go to Save Movie over here, and I select my size. Windows Phone Large is what I save everything as just because it's small. But if you have a faster computer, you can do higher definition display or whatever. Anyway, that will send it into your videos, and this is everything that I have transferred over with that. For debut, like I said, you don't need to do that unless you want to make it higher quality. If you want to run it through there, make it higher quality, that's fine. This is probably a little blurry, so maybe it's worth it for you. Anyway, if you want to do webcam, go to Upload, and there you go, Record from Webcam. It's pretty easy. I've never done it before. There's probably an option you just click record and it'll start recording just like with the debut. And if you have decently fast internet, I'm sure it'll work just fine. If you want to do something like on a whiteboard behind you or something like those videos we watched in class the other day, it's pretty easy to do. So yeah, that's how you record a YouTube video. Thank you for watching.